If you clicked on this video, you're probably tired of your old oven. Or maybe you're setting up a brand new kitchen and want something that just works smart, fast, and reliable. Well, same here. I've been through enough burnt pizza edges, uneven cookie batches, and waiting 15 minutes for preheating. In today's video, I'll walk you through 4 of the most popular smart ovens on Amazon. Not just from the specs, but from how they actually feel and perform in real kitchens. Stay to the end because, depending on your needs, the best oven might not be the most expensive one. Breville 845 BSS Smart Oven Pro. Let's start with the most talked about one. This is a smart convection oven with Element IQ technology, meaning the heat distributes evenly, no more undercooked middles and burnt edges. It comes with 10 cooking presets: bake, broil, pizza, toast, roast, cookies, everything. The interior light and clear LCD display are actually useful, not just for show. The build quality feels premium. And for many users, this has replaced their full-size oven. Best for home chefs, frequent bakers, anyone who wants performance without compromise. Emeril 26-quart air fryer oven. This one is massive in the best way possible. At 26 quarts, you can cook a whole chicken easily. It combines air fryer, toaster oven, dehydrator, rotisserie, and more into one single unit. The 360-degree hot air technology means food cooks evenly and crisps up nicely with less oil. Yes, there's a learning curve, but once you get used to it, it's a time saver and health booster. Best for large families, meal preppers, anyone who wants versatility. VALCUCINA Countertop Convection Oven. This one is underrated but surprisingly solid. Enamel-coated interior means cleanup is super easy. It's got digital controls, presets, and a nice sleek exterior that fits modern kitchens. It operates quietly, which is a big plus if your kitchen is part of your living space. A great mid-range option that doesn't feel cheap. Best for daily use, small families, anyone who values a clean look and easy maintenance. Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. And finally, the Ninja. This one is compact, powerful, and incredibly smart. Comes with 8 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, roast, air fry, bake, broil, and even dehydrate. The flip-up design is the game changer when you're done. Just tilt it up and save counter space. It preheats fast and cooks faster. Honestly, it's built for speed and convenience. Best for small kitchens, apartment living, fast-paced households. So, which one's best for you? Want high-end performance and reliability? Go with the Breville. Need all-in-one cooking with tons of space? Try the Emeril Gas. Looking for a budget-friendly smart oven with style? VALCUCINA is a win. Limited on space ace but still want top features? The Ninja SP101 is your go-to. Hope this helped. If it did, smash the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, no-fluff product reviews.